We're here in Wrightsville Beach at Hallelu Boutique. This beloved shop has been part of the Wrightsville Beach community for over 20 years. The intention with this renovation was not to reinvent it, but just to refresh it. The owner's vision was clear from the start. She wanted it lighter, brighter, and more open for an easier and more comfortable shopping experience. So come with me and we'll take a quick tour. The largest changes are the windows and the front entrance. All new windows bring in more natural light, creating a stronger connection between the boutique and the street. The store now has a strong anchor point with a new main entrance at the corner of this wedge-shaped building. Walking in, you get a great view of the entire floor. In the fitting room, you'll see that all of the curtains have been changed over for custom wooden doors, and backlit mirrors have been added for a more comfortable and enhanced try-on experience. Another big change you'll see is all new track lighting on the ceiling. This is fully customizable, so as the seasons change and the apparel shifts, this can all be adjusted as needed depending on how the displays are. Another change you'll notice is all new clothing racks. The goal was to open up the space and make shopping and browsing more easy and accessible. Behind the scenes, we've made thoughtful, functional improvements, like relocating the HVAC unit to a more discreet location. Small changes like this make a big difference in how a space feels and flows. Renovations like this one show that a project doesn't have to be large in scale to be impactful. It's about making meaningful choices and honoring what already works. Hallelu is refreshed and ready for its next chapter here in Wrightsville Beach. I'm Claire Kelly with Tongue and Groove.